My name is Drew Evans. I'm the Manufacturing Engineering Technology teacher here at the Dr. James A. Forrest Career and Technology Center. This is a 2-year program that covers designing, operating, and improving systems that make products. Have you ever wanted to design something and see if your design works? In this class, you might design a gear to fix something. Then you can make the gear, install the gear, and see if it works the way that you wanted it to. Things like this are what the manufacturing engineering class does. They design something like an airplane part, a car part, or other component that needs to be made to make things work. Then they make the part and try it.
This machine is the Haas CNC machine. This machine, it takes metal and you can input code, so it will essentially cut out whatever you need it to cut out, make whatever you need it to make.
First-year students will learn how to develop and read mechanical drawings, as well as the basics of precision measurement. They will be introduced to basic hand tools, as well as industry standard machines and software, including SolidWorks for 3D modeling. Throughout the course, students will learn how to operate machinery safely, professionally, and with precision.
At the start of the year, we did this woodworking project where you could do any wood making. You could make a sign, your name, a box, kind of just getting used to the machines.
During their second year, students will focus on more machine and tool processes, precision measurement, and quality control. Projects will become more complex, and students will be introduced to computer-aided manufacturing.
In year 2, we have learned to use Bridgeport machines, which is essentially more of a handheld or user-inputted CNC machine, so you're doing the moving instead of the machine, just reading the code. The lathes, the CNC lathe, the wood lathe, and the metal lathe, which the metal lathe is like the Bridgeport for the CNC. You do most of the actions, but the CNC lathe, it's same as this. You input code, and it will cut out whatever you need to cut out for something that's rotating.
This is a wood lathe, wood turning lathe. And essentially, all it is a machine that will turn wood while you have a tool that carves away at the wood.
Students will have the opportunity to earn certifications in precision measurement and CAM. Upon completion of the program, students can apply for apprenticeships at local companies, which allows them to enhance their skills and career opportunities.
It's definitely a lot better, I would say, than staring in a textbook or a screen.
You get to see what's happening and then do it yourself. It's a lot of handling material and then making something out of that.
There are several career opportunities in the manufacturing field. Positions include entry-level CNC operators who start around $40,000 per year. The average salary for a machinist is $60,000 to $85,000 per year. But with more schooling and advanced certification, a master machinist can earn up to $100,000 per year.
I see myself going into the mechanical or chemical engineering fields. I would like to go through college and then hopefully get an internship.
For more information on the Manufacturing Engineering Technology program, please visit our website at tech.smcps.org.